Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is a speed test between Redmi 6 Pro and the Honor 9N. Now before we get started, these are the specifications of both phones and these are the Antutu and Geekbench scores. Now for the speed test, I'll open the first 12 applications on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster and how fast it actually is. By the way, both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and all the applications have been updated to the latest version. Now let's see how they perform. In the speed test, there isn't a huge difference between both phones, but overall, Redmi 6 Pro was performing slightly better. So you can call this round as a tie, but I'll pick Redmi 6 Pro as the winner. Now for the memory management round, I'll open the same set of apps on both phones in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. So let's see how they perform. In the memory management round, Redmi 6 Pro was able to keep more apps in memory. So Redmi is the winner in this round. So guys, for the final gaming speed test, I'll open the last few games on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster. I'm just going to fast forward it a bit to make it quick. Now while opening games, Honor 9N was able to open more games faster than Redmi. So for this round, Honor 9N is the winner. So guys, on the whole, there isn't a huge difference between both phones. Honor 9N has definitely more raw performance, but when it comes to software optimization and general usage, Redmi will be better. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test and memory management test? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy any of these phones, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel, and if you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.